In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format your text in Google Docs to organize and enhance your document's structure effectively. So let's get started by navigating to docs.google.com. Once you're there, make sure to log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have a Google account, it's pretty straightforward to set one up. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create a new one. Once you're logged in, you can either open an existing file or start a new document from scratch. For those starting fresh, simply click on the blank document option and you're good to go. Now that you have your document open, let's dive into formatting. First, you'll want to highlight the text you intend to convert into heading 1. Typically, this is the main title or the most prominent section header of your document. Once highlighted, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your screen. You should see a drop-down icon labeled as Normal Text. Click on that icon and a menu will appear showcasing various text styles. Hover your cursor over the option labeled Heading 1 and click to apply it. This step changes the selected text to a larger font size and a bold style, marking it as an important part of your document. Using headings like this not only enhances the readability but also aids in navigation, especially if your document is quite lengthy. Now with Heading 1 in place, let's move on to formatting additional sections of your document. You'll want to repeat a similar process for subsections using Heading 2 and Heading 3 to create a clear hierarchy of information. Highlight the next piece of the text that requires a subheading designation. Hover over Heading 2 this time and click to apply the style. Observe how the text now stands out, indicating a secondary importance just below your main headings. For any further subdivisions under these sections, select the text and opt for Heading 3 to create further layers of structure in your document. This cascading style guide helps present information logically and accessibly, essentially serving as a table of contents if needed. And there you have it. By using these heading styles, you ensure your document not only looks professional, but is also more functional and easier for readers to skim and understand. This simple but effective strategy can vastly improve the overall coherence of any writing project you undertake in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.